Okay, now quickly we want all our students to come out. The president of the association, Mr. Charles Oguntade, come out and have your moment with the children before we start the quiz. All right, all children in uniform, every one of you please come out, and those not in uniform as well. Everyone that is looking beautiful. Come out, everybody. Come and meet our president. This is the president of the association. And we like to also invite the president of the Nigerian Society of Victoria to come out as well. Please, Dr. Mrs. Remy Yusuf. Please come out. Oh, yeah, Jadio. All right. Thank you, children. All right. Oh, yeah. All children, whether you are in uniform or not, please come out. All our children, please come out. Fantastic. All right, this is the moment to have a picture with the president of our association. Hey. All right, all the photographers, please. This is our moment with the children. Wonderful children God has given us.
All parents in white. All the white parents, please come up. And then all the parents. Everyone please come out. All parents, both all parents to be, all parents, everyone, all incoming parents, please come out. Everyone please come out for a picture. Thank you.
You will follow us about 23, 24. La Balia Yogi. Oh, Mama Daddy, 23, 24.